Toasters. For today's speech, you're going to pretend that you are the host of a TV show where you travel around the world and review different foods. Where do you want to go next as the host? What food are you most excited to eat? Write a review of that food. A review describes the taste, texture, smell, and look of a food. And it tells what is good or bad about the food. Do you like it? Do you not like it? And why? So write a review of a food from anywhere that you choose. And remember that your speech needs to be 5 to 6 sentences long at least. And have fun.
Hi little toasters, I'm here to share the challenge with you for this week. It goes along with our theme, which is cooking, and the word of the week, which was cuisine. Now I'm curious about what types of cuisine you guys like, what your favorite food is, whether or not you know how to cook or you like to cook, because this week's challenge is for you to get in the kitchen and learn something new. So you could help out your family with dinner and learn how to cook something that you guys already like to eat. You could look up a new recipe and try to bake something, or you could make breakfast for your family. Whatever it is, I want you to learn something new and have fun with it. Now, a couple tips for cooking in the kitchen. Always make sure that you have permission to be in the kitchen using utensils. Safety first, so make sure you ask for help when you need it. And a couple hygiene tips: make sure you always wash your hands before cooking. You're rolling up your sleeves so you don't make a mess and get the food on your clothes. And you put your hair up in a ponytail if you can, so that your hairs aren't falling into the food that you're making. Now remember to have fun with this and learn something new. And enjoy the delicious food that I know you will make. See you next week.